Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you guys my first makeup tutorial of 2019. Drugstore makeup and first impressions video of trying out some new drugstore products that I found. And I wish it was all drugstore, but I don't have too much in my collection. So if you guys have any good product recommendations, please make sure you leave them down below. But I'm really excited for my first makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it's going to be really long, so I'm going to stop talking too much in the intro. Make sure you give it a thumbs up so that I know that you like these kind of videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into it. So it's early in the morning, so right now I am going to mist my face with the Pixi Vitamin Wake Up Mist. It's orange blossom and citrus fruit extracts and lavender, and it's supposed to just moisturize my skin, wake it up, which is basically what I need. So let's try that again. I think I was too close. Whew. Oh, it's refreshing. Ooh, feels good. I haven't even taken this out of the packaging yet, so I am super excited to try the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Concealer, and I grabbed the color 220, which is natural beige. I haven't bought foundation, you guys, in years from the drugstore. So, I don't even know if I got this right. This color. Oh, it has a nice little pump. Ooh. Maybe it's going to be a little bit... It was on the lighter shade. Alright, we will see how this goes. I grab my mirror so I can really see, because if I just look at the camera, it's going to look great. This is why I haven't bought drugstore foundation in so long, because I never get it right. Okay, here we go. It definitely feels very matte on the skin. And I have dry skin, so we will see if this works for my skin or not. Alright, so that's one coat, and I think that's all I'm going to put on. But it feels really nice. It does have a powdery finish. So it does feel powdery on the skin. Alright, we're just going to keep going. We'll see how the rest of this looks when I finish the rest of my face. Unfortunately, I don't have a drugstore concealer. So I'm just going to put my concealer on, and we're just going to skip this part. Okay. For eyes, I'm going to try the Pixi plus Wiley Hung collaboration eyeshadow palette. Has some really pretty browns and some shimmery colors in this palette. Alright, I'm going to take this color right here from the palette, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. I feel like a really nice daytime smoky eye. This is like a really pretty caramel color. Grab a little bit more of that color with the blending brush, just blend it out. The eyeshadow doesn't have a lot of fallout, but it doesn't feel like it's a very smooth formula to blend. Maybe I'll go in with this really pretty maroon color here. It's like rust color. Take a little bit of that with that same blending brush and just bringing it in and then up into the crease. But I don't want this to be like a dramatic smoky eye, so I'm just going to take it little by little and then bring it upward. Now I'm going to take this like flat shader brush. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I'm going to go in with that dark brown color right here. And I'm going to use that as like my eyeliner. Apply it on my upper lash line and then kind of blend it out. Alright, and then we're going to go in with another eyeshadow brush and we're going to go back in with our first color and just... And then I really like the shimmery color right here, so I am going to apply that with a smaller brush. And I just want to take that in my inner tear duct. Oh, yes, that's a pretty pop. Alright, I'm going to try this Pixi eyeliner. It is the Endless Sticky Eye Pen in the color Rose Gold. I was going to do black, but then I'm like, it's going to make it too smoky eye. Pretend this is for like the working girls. This is like a nice look for like if you have to go to work or something. So let's see how this looks. It's very soft, very smooth. Alright, so for mascara, I'm also trying a new product. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I got it in Blackest Black. Ooh, this thing is honker. This wand is big. All right, so let's see. Lately, I just haven't really been wearing lashes. I just don't feel like it. So I'm trying to find a good mascara that will make my lashes look long and full and wispy without me having to put lashes on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. And that's just one coat. All right, let's see the other side. They do look nice. All right, the trick is always the bottom lash because I always have a lot of problems with the raccoon eyes where the mascara runs. So the new thing that I'm doing is basically going to the root, wiggling it, and then letting it go. Like I'm not bringing it down because I can guarantee you I'll get fallout. So I just go to the root and just wiggle it and then let it go. To the root and wiggle it and then let it go. Oh, I don't have a drugstore powder bronzer, but I do have this NYX Wonder Stick highlight and contour stick. So I'm going to try this out. Side the contour. Gonna have to be my bronzer because I don't have a powder drugstore one. If you guys have any good powder drugstore bronzers recommendations, please leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to try them out. Sometimes when I grab a powder bronzer, my hand gets a little bit too heavy and it just looks kind of ridiculous. A little heavy-handed with it, but this is really nice. So I like to apply highlight and then the blush because I feel like it just like transforms the blush. This product looks so gorgeous, so I'm really excited to use this. So here we go. I'm gonna use this side because I'm not really much of like a pinky color, but I think the pink one could look nice if you just like very light-handedly put it on top of your blush. Do you guys see that glow? Do you guys see how pretty that is? Pixi! Yes! Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. Right here, a little bit here. Oh, this is like one of those highlights that I could just get carried away and just put it everywhere because it's so pretty. It's making me so happy right now. For blush, I'm taking this number 7 blush in Peach Velvet. I just want just a light, like, color on my cheeks. I don't think I'll ever stop doing this technique. Like, I'm so used to it, like just doing the smile so I can find the apples of my cheeks. Dug in my lip drawer and found this like old NYX retractable lip liner in the color Nude. Did you even see it? You didn't even see it. That didn't work. So I found another NYX lip pencil in the color Natural. So let's try this one. Alright, let's use a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Let's try this, see how it looks. Really like this lip color, but on top of it, I want to put on the Pixi and Chloe Morello lip icing in the color Cake. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. I was just going to put it in the center and ended up putting it all over because I just love how soft it is on my lips. And my lips are really chapped in the winter. So this feels like so hydrating. Oh, really pretty. So, alright guys, so overall, I think this is a really fun, easy look. Even though it wasn't all drugstore, but I haven't done a drugstore makeup tutorial in so long. So I'm like baby stepping my way in it. Hopefully my next one will be completely all drugstore. Again, if you guys have any really good drugstore product recommendations, please leave them in the comment box down below so I can go to the store and go and check them out so I can try them out for you guys. Yeah, so far I really like the foundation. My skin doesn't feel drying, especially in this area, which is good. I'm not sure about the color. I'll have to probably go in outside of the natural light and see if the color does match me or if it doesn't. I really like the blush. The highlight is bomb. The mascara, so far, I love it. I don't see that I'm getting any residue, so that's good so far. The lip gloss is bomb. The NYX soft cream lipsticks are really good too. So far, I really like everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you did. And make sure to subscribe so you can get notifications of new videos. Again, it's a new year. I am excited to push out new content. So if you guys have any video recommendations, please also share them with me as well. So God bless you guys. I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.